Tugeta na mbere ni ati kanju ya mangabana ni barikiti na gwetana mucemanio jwa mpui mucemanio jwa jweregeri gwikwa ntuku ya Njumaa ya kiumia giki moroto jwa mucemanio jojo iri gutegera manto kathomba jegie mbeca kana bajeti ira ithagirwa igitumira na gutumwa kiri kaunti cionthe cia nthiguru ya Kenya. Kuringana na kanju izi baugite bakethera bagitegera manto kathomba bario kuria mbunge ya Senate gutezaniria itagaria ria imwe cia mbeca ira chigukinyira kaunti gweta na mbere na kugitangwa rorero kana bubu bumenie na umo kana na mukaririgiti wa kanju ya mangabana urenwe governor wa kaunti ya Wajir Wizikana Ahmed Abdullahi orekete na gutumiria ntumirize ekuga ati mangabana bonthe bakethera bagicemania ntuku eu ya Njumaa ya kiumia giki.
So we're asking the Senate not to accept this bill. We're asking the Senate to pass the one that we had agreed. There's a protracted engagement that happens before we come to this stage of passing laws. We appear before Senate, we negotiate with the CRA, right? So I don't know who had an interest in fast-tracking the National Assembly bill as against the one of the Senate. Yeah. So we're asking the Senate to stand firm and pass the bill that we had agreed with them, because we appeared before the Senate. We appeared at IBEC. We discussed these things in IBEC. We agreed there is, under the World Bank, a project called Kenya Informal Sector Improvement Program, KISIP. They have reduced it from 10.4 billion to 1.7 billion. And in KISIP, nearly all the counties are participating. There are many counties that are participating. So when you divide 1.7 billion among the counties, and by the way, this is mostly road improvement works and things to do with, what are they called? Solar street lights and pavement improvements in major informal settlements across the country, which have already been contracted. So, National Assembly just passed the County Government's Additional Allocation Act. First of all, we were shocked that there were two bills that were originated by either houses, by the two houses of Parliament. Senate had originated a bill, and National Assembly originated another bill. We have been discussing this issue at Summit and at IBEC, that the year is coming to an end, and the County Additional Allocation Act has not been passed. Development partners who fund a lot of these projects, a lot of this funding in the County Additional Allocation Act are frustrated. We had taken a position as a Council of Governors that constitutionally only two types of roads are recognized: national trunk roads and county roads. So if you're going to tax Kenyans at the pump for the maintenance of roads, it's only fair that we follow the Constitution and give national government its share of those maintenance funds and give counties their share.